IPL 2025 Miles vs RCB Probable playing size. Key players to watch: Jasprit Bumrah to replace Ashwani. Kumar Mumbai Indians vs Royal Challengers Bengaluru. IPL 2025 expected playing size and top players to watch out for. IPL 2025 Miles vs RCB Probable playing size. Key players to watch: Mumbai Indians and the Royal Challengers Bengaluru will face off at the hallowed Wankhede Stadium in Match 20 of the Indian Premier League on Monday, April 7. MI will be happy to return home, where they had bagged an 8-wicket win against defending champions Kolkata Knight Riders. They looked like a well-balanced team on their home turf, thrashing KKR by 8 wickets. Hardik Pandya will hope that Will Jacks, Ryan Rick-Elton and Tilak Varma start firing and get Mumbai off to a flyer, besides praying for a quick return of an injured Rohit Sharma. Deepak Chahar, Ashwani Kumar and Mitchell Santner will need to be wary of not giving away too many runs, and despite Jasprit Bumrah joining the camp, there is still no guarantee over his appearance in the match. MI are currently placed 8th in the points table, with 2 points from 4 games and a net run rate of 0.1. RCB, on the other hand, are placed 2nd, with 4 points from 3 matches and an NRR of 1.14. RCB openers Virat Kohli and Phil Salt would like to ensure that they show some batting prowess like they did against KKR in the opening game, with consistency affecting their show till now. Also under the scanner will be Devdutt Padikkal and Krunal Pandya, who haven't been consistent either. Pandya, after the KKR game, has conceded truckloads of runs, while Padikkal showed some promise against CSK, but failed to convert. Josh Hazlewood has been RCB's best bowler, with 6 wickets in 3 matches, and he will once again be expected to lead the pace attack and give early jolts to MI. Miss likely playing Exon, and with Bumrah back in the camp, there is a slight chance that he might replace Ashwani in the lineup. But if the former doesn't make a comeback, MI might continue with the same 11. Mumbai Indians probable playing 11: Will Jacks, Ryan Rick-Elton WK, Suryakumar Yadav, Hardik Pandya C, Namanthir, Raj Bawa, Mitchell Santner, Deepak Chahar, Ashwani Kumar, Vignesh Puthur, Trent Bolt. RCB's likely playing XI with their campaign still in control and Raziq Salam misfiring more often than not with the ball. RCB might try and give Uttar Pradesh pacer Abhinandan Singh a go, as an impact player. The rest of the 11 looks settled for now to make any changes. Royal Challengers Bengaluru probable playing 11: Philip Salt, Virat Kohli, Devdutt Padikkal, Rajat Patidar C, Liam Livingstone, Jitesh Sharma WK, Tim David, Krunal Pandya, Bhuvneshwar Kumar, Josh Hazlewood, Yash Dale Nanan.